disgusting. Listen, I know it's the weekend, it's Sunday, so you're probably like visiting family or whatever, but between my house and your house is the Andersons. And I know for a fact the Andersons sprayed for pest control, like the exact same pest control that we use. So I know these are coming from your house. And I need you to spray for these because these are disgusting. There's like 170 little baby tiny ones everywhere. And I know that this is from your house. You need to spray tomorrow or we're fining you for this, okay? You're better off paying for the spray for the pest control than paying the fine and the pest control. Look at this. This is disgusting. You need to spray for pests, okay? Disgusting.